Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson, I'm going to solve some HSC questions involving dividend. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me and pause the video anytime you like. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one. So we know that Jenna has 200 shares in company ABC and the market share price is $5.50 and the company pay a dividend yield of 6%. Just for your information, when you buy shares, some company shares profit with you. So the payout is according to the number of shares that you have in the company. So this is called dividend, okay? Just to let you know. Now, she also had some shares in company XYZ, and we're not sure what it is. So let me just write down X here, okay? X number of shares in company XYZ. And the company payout is 4%, okay, for the dividend yield. And the market price for the share is $6. And we know that the total payout for both company is $149.52. And the question is, we need to find out the number of shares that Jenna has in company XYZ. To do this, first of all, let me just work out the dividend for company ABC first, okay? So company ABC. And the market price for each shares is $5.50. We need to work out the total values that Jenna has in company ABC first, okay? And then she gets 6% of that. Just remember that. So we times by 200 shares. That is the total values that Jenna has in company ABC. And she gets a return of 6%. So we just times by 6. So there you go. This is her dividend. So just go $5.50 times 200 shares and then 6% of that. So that is $66. But then we know that the total payout for both company altogether is $149.52. So let's work out the dividend for company XYZ first. So XYZ. And the market price is $6. But then we do not know how many shares that Jenna has in company XYZ. So we just times by X, because X number of shares. To work out the dividend, so we just times by 4%. Okay, that is the dividend yield. And that will give me, so I just go 6 times 4, or 4 times 6 is 24. You divide by 100. So it should give me 0.24. And then times X is X. Otherwise, you can just use calculator. So you just go 6 times 4%. 0.24 and times X, that give me 0.24X. And we know that the total payout is $149.52. So we work out the dividend X is, we just go $149.52. We minus the $66. That is the dividend for the company ABC. So that will give me, so just go 149.52 minus 66. So that is $83.52. So this means that the dividend for XYZ we work out early is this, and that is equal to $83.52. Now we just equate that, okay? So that means 0.24x is equal to 83.52. To solve for these equations, so we just divide this by 0.24. And we divide this by 0.24. So there you go. So I just go answer divided by or over 0.24. So that is 348. So just go therefore x is equal to 348. So therefore 348 shares. Now, if you do not like this method, of course, you can just interpret all in one go, okay? So first of all, to work out the dividend, so she has 6% for company ABC. So we can just work like this all in one line. So that means 200 shares, we times by 5.5. That is the total value that Jenna has in company ABC. And we times by 6%. And to work out the dividend for company ABC, so we have X number of shares and then times by 6. So you go X times $6 and then you times by 4%. That means 4 over 100. Okay? So that will give me $149.52. So $149.52. So now I just work it out, okay? By using calculator first. So this one here. And I just put that on a calculator. So that will give me 200 times 5.5 times 6 over 100. So 66. So just write 66 plus. Then I just work this out by using calculator. So that give me 0.24. 0.24 and we times by x, so that is 0.24x, which give me 149.52. So now I just minus 66 on both sides, or I can just move this on its side, becomes minus. So just use calculator, work that out. So I just go 149.52, I minus the answer, because that's the last time I did, that is 66. So that is 83.52. So 0.24x is equal to 83.52. So now to solve this, I just divide this by 0.24 because I want to get rid of 0.24, okay? So I divide this by 0.24. And I just cancel this out. So therefore, x will give me, so I just go answer divided by 0.24. So that is 348. 348. So therefore, 348 shares. So there you go. Next one. Of course, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Otherwise, just watch how I do it. Sam purchased 500 company shares at $3.20 per share. Brokerage fees were 1.5% of the purchase price. Sam is paid a dividend of 26 cents per share. Then he immediately sells the shares for $4.80 each. If he pays no further brokerage fees, what is Sam's total profit? Now to work out the profit is the total value of shares that he sold plus the dividend minus the cost that he buy for the shares and minus the broker's fees as well, okay? So just let's work out the cost for buying share first. So let me just write this down. Cost is equal to, so each shares he paid for $3.20. And then he bought 500 shares. So just times by 500. So that will give me, so I just go 3.2 times 500. So that is $1,600. That is how much he need to pay for buying his shares. But then he need to pay of broker's fees as well. So that is 1.5% of the value, okay, that he's paid for. So I just write fees is equal to, that is equal to 1,600 times 1.5%. So that will give me, so just put answer times 1.5 divided by 100 or over 100 if you like. So $24. So there you go. So the total cost for buying shares is, so just write total cost. That is equal to $1,600 plus the fees. So that is $24. So that will give me 1,624. That is the total cost. Now we need to work out the money that he received from selling his shares. Selling his shares. That we do. And he sold for $4.80 each. And he sold for 500 shares. So that's how much he gets. So that is equal to, so just go 4.8 times 500. So that is $2,400. And he also received dividends of 26 cents per share from the company. Okay. So to work out the dividend, that is equal to, so 26 cents per shares. So 0.26 times by 500 shares that she has in the company. So that will give me, so just go 0.26 times 500. So that is $130. To work out the total profit, which is at the income from selling shares and the income from dividend, then we minus the cost. Okay, that is $1,624. So let me just write this down. So total profit is equal to the income from selling shares. So 2,400, and we add $130. Then we minus the cost, and the total cost is $1,624. So that will give me, so I just go 2,400 plus 130 minus 1,624. So there you go, $906. There you go. So the total profit is $906. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.